Good morning and welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Hey, today we have been doing some CageCrafter configurator training, and I've got with me today Jennifer Tronzo from Cardinal Integrated right here in Louisville, Kentucky. So she's been going through some training, so I just want to ask her how everything's going. So what do you see as the advantages of using the CageCrafter configurator?
Well, I love that you can quote on the spot with the customer and show them the 3D image. It's a fast process and you get your bill of materials right there, and it's very user-friendly too.
That's good.
Yeah.
And along with the CageCrafter training, you were in this class with a handful of other people. What'd you think about seeing WireCrafters facility for the first time?
We went on a nice long tour and it was awesome. I love the Kanban system that they use and just how you really make every employee a part of WireCrafters, the program where maybe you can elaborate a little bit more on it, but it allows every employee to come up with their own ideas to better the system. And
yeah, so all the employees can get together and make 1-minute videos on how they can make their production area a little bit better. Well, Jennifer, thank you very much for coming to WireCrafters. We really appreciate it. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt. So if you have some people that you would like to send into WireCrafters for the CageCrafter /product training, please give me a call. 800-626-1816 and just ask for Milt and we'll get you signed up for a CageCrafter training session. Thanks.